Hello YouTube! Today I'm going to show you how to make broccoli sprouts. Okay, it's very easy. You need to get some seeds, broccoli seeds. I bought something like 1 pound. No, 2 pounds. Anyway, half a kilo. You need to take 1 teaspoon of broccoli seeds. Put it in a jar that contains something like 750 milliliters. The second step is to put it. I bought this screen, plastic screen, a rubber band. You put it on top. Okay, it's the simplest way. Okay. The next step is you fill it up with water. Okay, you fill it up, and then you let it soak like this for 4 hours. Okay, after it sits for 4 hours, then you drain it in the sink. Okay, like this. And you need another thing. Then you need a kind of a porous container, and you place the jar like this. And then in the morning you wash it, and then in the evening you wash it. Now I'm just filling it back up again. Okay, I'll show you the next step. This is what you do after 12 hours, like in the morning and in the evening, and then you pour it off. But this one I just need to have. So after a while it grows like this inside, and here you just wash it, fill the jar with water, and drain it. And you put it back here. Okay. And there you go. So I'll just repeat the steps. The first step is to put 1 teaspoon of broccoli sprout seeds in a jar. Soak it for 4 hours. Okay? After 4 hours, if it's a bit more, it doesn't matter. You drain it, and then you place it in a place on top of some porous container. I like to put it on a plate, and then after a week of washing it in the morning and washing it in the evening and let it sit like this, you can eat it. This is about 5 days old, and you can see it's already like sprouts. Yeah. Okay, I hope you like this video. I would like to hear your comments if you have any other suggestions, any ideas, or any other methods you like to sprout seeds. Have fun, have a good day. Please like this video, it does help my channel grow. Subscribe if you want to see some more content from me. Have a great day, friends. See you soon. Bye.